Welcome to Vietnam Untold. Nestled in the heart of the Central Highlands of Vietnam lies a hidden gem, Mang Den. This picturesque town, surrounded by lush forests, rolling hills, and pristine lakes, has been quietly captivating the hearts of travelers seeking an escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. In recent years, Mang Den has gained recognition as one of the country's emerging travel destinations, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and adventure. Join us as we embark on a journey to discover the allure of Mang Den and why it's becoming an increasingly popular destination for both domestic and international tourists. Mang Den, often referred to as the Dalat of the Central Highlands, boasts a captivating landscape that rivals some of Vietnam's most renowned destinations. Situated in Con Tum province, this serene town sits at an altitude of 1,200 meters above sea level, providing a refreshing escape from the sweltering heat of the lowlands. The climate is temperate year-round, making it an ideal getaway for those seeking cooler temperatures. Visitors to Mang Den are greeted with breathtaking vistas of pine forests, terraced tea plantations, and emerald green lakes. The town is surrounded by rolling hills and verdant valleys, creating a tranquil atmosphere that's perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. Adventurous souls can explore the numerous trekking and hiking trails that crisscross the region, offering opportunities to immerse themselves in the stunning natural beauty of the Central Highlands. Mang Den is not only a haven for nature enthusiasts but also a place where culture and tradition thrive. The town is home to various ethnic minority groups, including the Bonner, Gie Triang, each with its unique customs, languages, and handicrafts. Travelers can immerse themselves in the local culture by visiting ethnic villages, where they can witness traditional rituals, sample local cuisine, and purchase beautifully crafted textiles and handicrafts. This cultural exchange offers visitors a chance to gain a deeper understanding of the rich tapestry of Vietnam's ethnic diversity. For thrill seekers, Mang Den offers an array of adventure activities. The town is surrounded by numerous waterfalls, such as Dak Cu and Dak Glay, where visitors can take refreshing dips in crystal-clear waters or simply enjoy the breathtaking scenery. The nearby Con Clor Suspension Bridge, one of the longest and highest suspension bridges in Vietnam, is a thrilling attraction that provides panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Mang Den is also a paradise for motorbike enthusiasts. The winding roads and scenic routes make it a popular destination for bikers looking for an exhilarating ride through the Central Highlands. The town has become a hub for motorbike tours, attracting riders from all over the country. Despite its relatively remote location, Mang Den offers a range of accommodation options to suit different budgets and preferences. From cozy homestays nestled in ethnic villages to boutique resorts with stunning mountain views, visitors can find a comfortable place to stay while exploring the region. Local eateries serve a variety of dishes, with Vietnamese cuisine dominating the scene. The cool climate of Mang Den is perfect for savoring hot bowls of pho or enjoying grilled specialties by the campfire. Adventurous eaters can also try the local delicacies, such as bamboo tube rice and grilled forest game. What sets Mang Den apart from other popular tourist destinations in Vietnam is its unspoiled and less crowded ambience. While cities like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City can be bustling and crowded, Mang Den offers a serene and tranquil escape from the urban chaos. The absence of large tourist crowds allows visitors to connect more intimately with the local culture and environment. As word continues to spread about the wonders of Mang Den, it is likely that the town will see an influx of tourists in the coming years. This growth presents both opportunities and challenges for the region. The development of infrastructure, such as better roads and improved accommodation, will likely make Mang Den more accessible to travelers. However, it will also be essential to strike a balance between tourism development and the preservation of the town's pristine environment. Mang Den is emerging as a must-visit destination in Vietnam for travelers seeking an authentic and serene escape. With its stunning landscapes, rich cultural diversity, and exciting adventure opportunities, this hidden gem in the Central Highlands is poised to become a prominent player in Vietnam's tourism industry. As more travelers embark on the journey to explore Mang Den, it is crucial to ensure that responsible and sustainable tourism practices are upheld to preserve the natural beauty and cultural richness of this enchanting town. So, pack your bags and discover the charm of Mang Den before the world fully realizes its breathtaking allure. Thank you for watching Vietnam Untold. Stay informed, stay connected. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe now for all you need to know about Vietnam and Vietnamese Americans.